Hi everybody, rev up your engines and buckle up for the first episode of Riding in Cars with Real Estate Mortgage Edition. My name is Marty Guy Fink, loan officer, branch manager, powered by Homespire Mortgage, coming to you from my Hyundai Tucson. Today we're shifting gears to chat with a loan officer extraordinaire, a true top producer, hailing from the vibrant streets of Hampton Roads, known for her stellar performance in the mortgage world. She's not just about crunching numbers, she's about steering her way through the twists and turns of success with finesse and flair. Get ready to ride shotgun as we uncover the secrets behind her triumphs and have a few laughs along the way. And I have Nicole Okal with Homespire Mortgage with us. And I know we said that you hail from Hampton Roads, but actually, where are you originally from, Nicole?
I'm originally from upstate New York. I moved here when I was a teenager to Hampton Roads.
Oh, just a little baby. So that means you're from here now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a native. Yep.
100% a native.
Yep.
If your career as a loan officer were a car model, which one would it be and why?
I'd have to say a Jeep.
A Jeep?
Yeah, Jeep. Because I feel like being in mortgage is a little bumpy. Sometimes the road is a little bumpy, but it's exciting at the same time.
And you're like a strong loan officer now, so it's strong and it gets you over the top.
Oh, that's true.
Get you to the top.
Yeah, that's good.
Get up those rocks and the hills and the bumps. In the world of mortgages, speed is often of the essence. What's your record for the fastest loan approval, and did it involve any turbocharged tactics? So your fastest loan approval, basically.
I think my fastest loan closing was 16 days, and that was a VA loan, and it was definitely all due to the team at Homespire, everybody.
And that included weekends too, didn't it?
Yeah, that included weekends, yep.
So you did 16 days to clear to close?
Yep,
or,
16 days to clear to close, yeah, exactly. And that was
weekends.
Definitely due to our, to everybody, underwriters, processor, our assistant, Brittany, our assistant for sure.
Oh, Brittany.
And the closers, everybody pulled together on that one. The appraisal got back fast and everything was done super quick, and everybody was shocked that we did it that quick, but I wasn't that shocked because we're pretty on the ball.
Because the process.
Yeah, the process is pretty smooth and seamless.
It makes it easier over here when you've been in chaotic lending.
Yes,
we've all been in chaos before, so we have less chaos here. We've all had those days where nothing seems to go right. How do you bounce back from setbacks and keep your wheels turning in the right direction?
I would say, aside from going to Dairy Queen.
I mean, I like that.
I probably would.
The royal cheesecake.
Yeah, the royal Oreo. I usually, if I have a setback and I get down, I'll usually call somebody on my team just to kind of lift me up and, slap me back into reality so that I realize it's only temporary. And then I'll listen to music, that always helps me, and I'll just go back to the basics with writing down my goals, writing down a schedule for my goals, take what steps I'm going to take to get back on track. And just a lot of positive, self-talk.
I like that. Yeah. Positive. I still like Dairy Queen, but
yeah, I do too.
The positive self-talk is really good because let me tell you.
And I do the positive self-talk while I'm eating the blizzard from Dairy Queen.
Oh yeah. So they say behind every loan officer is their trusty sidekick. Tell us about your most memorable coworker and or partner in crime in the industry. So who's your mortgage buddy?
Well, I would say my sidekick probably would be Michelle Freeman.
Is that Michelle Kipley Freeman? Oh, there she is.
Freeman. Because we started out together, and I trust her in every way possible. And also, we've had a lot of adventures with switching companies and just sticking together through the whole thing and making decisions together.
Both of you are now top producers, which is amazing. That's amazing. What do you think is the biggest thing that would attribute you and her now being top producers? Like, is there something that you're doing different?
I think just staying focused and also positive attitude, for sure, positive attitude. You know, and we have a great team. Now we're working for a mortgage company with a great team, and I feel like you can't do this job at all if you don't have the team behind you. You can be the best loan officer in the world, but if you can't get loans to close because of the team behind you, then it doesn't matter, you know?
Exactly. Yeah. Having a knowledgeable team.
Yeah.
And the support is huge. That's like the one thing, again, I'm going to bring it back again. I'm going to say having the support and no chaos when it comes down to the closing, because we've got to close on time. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that.
And no surprises.
Right. Yeah, that's a good sidekick to have, though. She's a good one to have. We're happy to have her on the team. We need somebody to keep me and you under control.
I know. The voice of reason.
Yep. Exactly. All right. Picture this: you're stuck in traffic with a client who is feeling nervous about their loan application. How do you break the tension and keep the conversation rolling?
Oh boy, I don't know. Listen to music, make a joke, just try to calm them down. Just
maybe
reassure them everything's going to be fine, and just the facts. Just give them the facts. Or tickle fight. We'll do a tickle fight.
What?
A tickle fight.
A tickle fight.
That always works.
How well do you know your clients?
Yeah.
Are you doing clients?
I get pretty good with my clients.
Well, she obviously knows her clients a lot better than I know mine. So, but I don't know. I would ask them where their pain points are, because I know everybody's scared. It's scary to do a mortgage. That's what's the biggest transaction of your life? I mean, and it's not just a couple dollars we're loaning out. We're loaning out thousands of dollars.
Yep.
And they're borrowing thousands of dollars, so they don't want to make a mistake.
And
If you could take a road trip with any historical figure, living or dead, who would you choose as your co-pilot, and where would you go?
I would say Jesus. I would pick Jesus for sure.
Well, we need him as a co-pilot most of the time anyway.
Yeah, I would pick Jesus.
Yeah.
Probably go road trip. Probably to Israel.
Israel?
Yeah. Well,
the pilgrimage?
Yeah.
Wasn't that where we looked up? Yeah. The pilgrimage.
Bethlehem? Isn't it Bethlehem? Jerusalem.
That's right. Yeah.
That's where I would go.
Did you ask him any advice on how to do mortgages?
No.
How to remain calm?
I know how to remain calm. How to tackle anxiety.
Yeah. So I know this industry is kind of rough sometimes, but we make it through. I think we do a good job getting through. So.
Yep, you got to keep your sense of humor.
Do you have anything else for us?
I love my job. I love my coworkers and my clients, and I feel blessed to be in this industry with this company, with Homespire. I really do.
This is a wonderful industry to be in. It allows us it allows us a lot more freedoms than a lot of other jobs that we've ever had.
Yeah,
and I really love that.
Your opportunity for income and
absolutely
growth and all of that.
Well, Nicole, thank you for being the first guest on Riding in Cars with Real Estate Mortgage Edition. I appreciate you being the first one and taking this on, because I know this is really hard for people to do. It's hard for me to do, but I can't wait to get more of these out and get some actual education going. But I wanted everybody to meet a top producer on our team. 2 top producers on our team. There's the other one back there. She's hiding. Yeah. So thank you, everybody. Thanks, everybody, and have a great day.
Bye.